Hello traders and investors. In the last 2 weeks, we have seen yearly ORB concept and monthly ORB concept, wherein we can use the ORB for a swing trade and quick swing trades. Here I am introducing a weekly ORB concept, which we can use for one-day trade. For a intraday trade, we can use this weekly ORB. Maximum 2 days is the trading period for this weekly ORB, because the entire week itself is a 5 days. So finding ORB, we will take 1 day. Then if there is a holiday, we will get only 4 working day. In that, our trade should last only 1 day, maximum 2 days. Okay. So for a rapid trades, that is 1 day to 2 days trade, we are using this weekly ORB. Here the time frame we use is 5 minutes. And I recommend that beginners should not use this strategy. Only those who have more than 3 years of experience in intraday trading, who is capable of managing gap up and gap down, who is very disciplined in their risk reward and money management, only should use this strategy. Who is a beginner, less than 3 years of experience in the market, and who don't know intraday trading, only swing and positional trading, please don't use this strategy. Let us see the strategy in a glance in this video. Hello traders and investors. I am Haresh, SEBI Registered Research Analyst. Disclaimer: investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. For more details on our premium services, contact us at 763993695. Now we are in TradingView chart. The weekly ORB indicator is free, available in TradingView. You can use it for lifetime. I have already told you how to get the indicator in the first video itself. So if you don't know how to get the indicator, please go and watch the yearly ORB strategy. In the first instance itself, I have shown how to use the indicator. Since we have already elaborately seen what is ORB of yearly, monthly, and how we are using it for swing trade, here in weekly ORB, we will simply and quickly see the steps. One, the time frame we use is 5 minutes, because based on my experience, 5 minutes ORB is respecting the price action well. So don't go down to 1 minute, use 5 minutes, and don't go up, because for monthly itself we are using 15 minutes. So for weekly we should not use 15 minutes. So standardized time frame just for this weekly ORB is 5 minutes as per my experience. Whether it is supporting or not, whether the price is taking support and resistance or in this zone or not, you have to check that. You can clearly see mostly the price is coming to the zone and then moving in the direction. So since we are a long only trader, we are not focusing on F&O. What we have to do is, once the week, everything is calendar, not expiry day or something, trading day, the first trading day of the week, the first trading day of the month, and first trading day of the year. Once it is complete, the first 5 minutes over, you come and check the F&O list or any other watch list you are using, and check for the range which is very less than 0.75%. Okay, so see here it is 0.6%. So whenever we get a buy trade, we can easily get a 1.5 to 2% target easily. That's why we are recommending 0.75% and lesser candidates only. See here it is 1.42%, so we avoid it. This is 2%, we avoid it. See, this is 0.65% Bharat Dynamics. See, once the buy is happened, with the confluence of the cloud, we taken the entry. Stop loss is below this level. Our risk reward of 1:3 would have achieved here. So BAL 0.55%. See here, this is a stop loss trade, because we are not going on the sell direction. All these sell trades have been avoided. Here there is a buy trade. We took the trade, and here the stop loss hit. So 0.5%. We took the stop loss. See here, Bharat Forge, it is still in open position. The range is 0.89, so we will mostly will not trade the trade. We need less than 0.75. Here it is a 0.75, less than 0.75, but this is a sell trade. We will not trade this. 0.81, the 0.58. So see here, once it has broken with the confluence, here as a confluence I am using a 3 and 13 period moving average cloud. Once the price broke, keep the stop loss here. See the 1:3 target as achieved here. So simply, step by step, what we have to do is, for yearly ORB, we have to switch on the yearly ORB, keep daily time frame, add a confluence indicator, a momentum indicator, or a moving average, or whatever indicator you want. And once the price breaks the green line, we have to enter, keep a minimum buffer below the red line, and strictly follow the money management and exit. Keep a minimum risk reward of 1:3 ratio. Always position sizing method will work. No capital method will not work in this strategy. Okay. Then select the narrow range. In yearly maximum, select a range of 3% and below. In monthly maximum, select a range of 1.5% and below. In weekly maximum, select a range of 0.75% and below. See here, this is a 0.49, that is 0.5% range. Once the high is broken, we enter. See clearly 1:3 ratio would have been achieved here. So this is it. All these strategies is based on probability only. There is no performance guarantee. Past performance will not guarantee future performance. Also, all this is for educational purpose. The stock shown is here is for illustration only and not recommendation. You have to do your due diligence of fundamental and technical analysis related to this, and then has to take the decision based on that only. Don't blindly follow anything. Do your due diligence on fundamental and technical part, as well as back testing and live testing part, and then use it to your advantage based on your discretion alone. Here I am introducing new unique concepts. Testing it and validating it is your responsibility. So in the past 3 weeks, we have seen the ORB, which is used in intraday trade. We have used it in swing trade. That is weekly ORB for 1 to 2 days trade, monthly ORB for 2 to 3 days to 1 week trade, yearly ORB for 10 days to 3 months trade. Okay. In upcoming weeks, I will be sharing some other unique strategies. So here you will be getting price action based strategies, smart money concept based strategies, Fibonacci Elliott wave, Gartley pattern, harmonics, Andrew pitchfork, and lot of strategies are going to come in this channel. So keep the channel subscribed, share to your trading community, and keep the notification on, and give a like if you like the strategy. Keep following us. Let's have a glance on our courses. We focus entirely on momentum trading and investing. Hence, we have designed 2 courses. One is Momentum Intraday, where we have 2 strategies. 1-minute strategy, where we take entries based on pullback on the momentum direction. And in 5-minute strategy, we will take a single candle stop loss based breakout trading based on the momentum concepts. We focus only on stock trading and investing. These strategies will be used entirely for intraday stock trading as well as swing, positional and long-term investing. In this momentum investing course, we focus on daily time frame swing trades and monthly time frame long-term investing strategies based on momentum, fundamentals, trend and price action. So whatever the data points required for a retail trader has been coded as a custom indicator in TradingView. 90% of the work will be completed by the indicator, and the remaining 10%, what is the logic and concept based on which the strategies have been built, will be explained through our course video. Combining these two, you will get an edge in the market. To experience the indicator, we are providing a 5 days free trial where you can check the performance of the indicator, live test, back test. Once you are satisfied, you can join our courses. If you want a demo of 5 days, kindly WhatsApp us at 763993695. Our team will do the needful. If you are trusting someone with your stock market journey, choose research over speculation. We are a SEBI registered research analyst. To learn how to trade and invest using our momentum framework, for free consultation and demo of our services, call us at 763 999 3695. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.